Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video, we will learn how to find your quick login code on Roblox. So firstly, open your browser, then go to Google search engine. In here, you have to type Roblox. After that, the Roblox website will come at the top hand side of your screen. Just left click on it. Now the game will ask you to log in with your ID. So just go to the login section. Now click on use another device. Now in here you will find the QR code of Quick Login as well as the word code of Quick Login that you can use in your desktop applications. So you can use either one of them to quick login through another device. So I'll just show you. Copy the code. Now open the browser where you are logged in with your ID, then go to the gear button, then click on Quick Login. And now if you input the code in here, then click on enter. After that, confirm your login. You'll see that the login process has begun and you are logged in with your ID in the new browser. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.